So magically, if you can see here, I've gotten the best number of neurons in the hidden layer, learning rate, and L2 regularization. So you can just sit back and relax while it does a search for you. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be looking at kerastuner. So basically, let's say if you have defined your model, or you have roughly an idea of what a model or your model is going to look like, but then if you want to have a certain combination of hyperparameters, or you want to automate search the best hyperparameters for the best accuracy or validation accuracy, this package will be useful. So what are the parameters we can input into this kerastuner? First is the learning rate, followed by the number of neurons in the hidden layers, and of course L1 and L2 regularization. So the first part is pretty much same as my previous videos, so you can look at my previous video. So after we check the dataset, this is where the kerastuner will play a part. So if you have not installed kerastuner, please install it with pip install, followed by import kerastuner skt. Now we are going to build a function with HP as an argument. This HP will be an instance of kerastuner hyperparameter. So once we build a function, we are going to define some of the hyperparameters which we are going to tune. First is number of neurons. So HP.integers. These are integer value 128 to 256. So when you go through the kerastuner, you choose the best neuron value from 128 to 256. Second is the learning rate. So learning rate is a float. So we are going to use HP.float, and we are going to give a minimum value and a maximum value, and sampling is going to be log. So similar to the number of hidden layers, hidden neurons, you need to choose a number between the lowest value and the maximum value. So in sampling, there is a linear and a log. You can read about it online. If it's linear, it's going to be additive. It will be using additive distance, while for log, it will be using a multiplicative factor. I'm going to leave L1 regularization as 0, and for L2, I'm going to use choice. So this is slightly different. For choice, it will only choose the value which you have provided the tuner. So I provided 0 and a max value of 1, E negative 1. So it will either choose 0 or this value. So for our regularizer, I'm going to use L1 and L2 both, but L1 will be 0. So this is a simple model, just with a flattened layer followed by dense layer, and the output layer will be a single output with activation of sigmod, since this is a binary classification. So next, let's compile the model with optimizer. I'm using Adam with the learning rate, and then our loss will be binary cross entropy, log is equals to false, and then our matrix will be accuracy. So we can see that we are using all those hyperparameters which are going to run through the tuner. So first is number of neurons in the hidden layer. Second is learning rate. Third is L1, and fourth is L2. Next, we need to build the tuner. So we are going to use kt.bayesian optimization. So the first argument will be the model which we just defined. Second, of course, when we are using tuner, we need to tell them the objective. So our objective is going to be finding the highest validation accuracy. Next is that we're going to run a maximum of 10 trials, and with a seed point of 2. Okay. So this override basically means, let's say if you have run this search before, it will just override the previous value and start fresh. Okay. So now we can start the search with this tuner.search. We are going to give him the training dataset along with the validation dataset. We are going to run an epoch of 5, and then we are going to have a callback with an early stopping of with patience equals to 1. Meaning if there's a dip after the highest accuracy, it will stop at that point. So I've already trained this tuner because it will run for quite a while. So the best accuracy I've gotten is 0.495. So how to view the best parameters, or sorry, the best hyperparameters? So we can define the top parameters. Then we can use tuner.get best hyperparameters, and tuner.get best model summary to get the model. So here we realize that having a neuron of 147 in the hidden layer, and a learning rate of 0.00241, and an L2 regularization of 0.1 gives the best validation accuracy. Thank you. Hopefully this is useful. Please subscribe and support the channel. Bye.